9 exercises from Cindy Crawford that'll transform your body in 10 minutes a day. The 90s could probably be considered the era of the supermodel, and one of the most recognizable faces and bodies of this time is the gorgeous and legendary Cindy Crawford. She was kind enough to share her secrets to the perfect bod by releasing several highly successful workout videos. Crawford's exercises are simple yet effective, and they don't even require any special equipment. Get ready, because we're gonna do this workout together. But first, as with any type of physical training, we gotta warm up. Jump around, run in place, and stretch your limbs for the next 3 minutes. This will loosen up your muscles and get your body ready for exercise. All right, here we go. Number 1, knees out squats. Let's start this workout with some leg exercises. Stand with your feet slightly wider than shoulder width apart and your toes pointed outward. Lower yourself into a deep squat. Your knees should go out to the sides. Use your leg muscles to pull your hips up. If it makes you feel more comfortable, you can put your hands on your waist. Do 10 complete reps. This exercise targets tons of areas on the lower body, including the glutes, hips, quads, and calves. Believe it or not, squats even work out your abs, back, and shoulders. Have you finished up? Great, let's move on. Number 2, lunges. Stand up straight and pull your core muscles in. Take a big step forward with your right leg, lowering your hips until your knees are bent at a 90-degree angle. Do 10 of these. Eight, 7, 6, 5. Keep your back straight. 2, 1. Now let's switch it up and do 10 reps with your left leg. Lunges are a perfect exercise you can do anywhere you want. They'll give you beautifully toned legs and a perky tush. And great job! Number 3, invisible chair squats. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and your hands on your hips. Again, pull your core muscles in to keep your body upright. Lower your body into a squat, but don't go all the way down. Imagine that you're about to sit on a chair. Let's do this 10 times. These squats are a bit easier than the deeper knees out kind we did earlier, but they work the same exact muscles. Once you finish 10 reps, do 10 more lunges. 10, 9, 8, keep your back straight. 5, 4, 3, 2, and done. Number 4, squats, legs together. Our last set of squats, I promise. Stand with your legs together, core muscles engaged, and arms out in front of you. Lower yourself into a squat 10 times. By keeping your legs together, you're increasing the involvement of your quads and glutes. Follow these squats up with 10 more lunges. Remember, your knees should be bent at 90 degrees. Nice form! All right, moving on. The next few exercises are going to target your abs and chest. Now would be a good time to bust out your exercise mat because you'll be down on the ground for all of them. Number 5, Cobra push-ups. Lie on your belly with your hands directly under your shoulders and elbows pulled in tight. Straighten your arms just enough to lift your chest off the floor. Keep your stomach, hips, and legs on the mat. Lower yourself back down to the starting position. Let's do 2 sets of 10. Push-ups are actually a whole body workout. They engage your arms, chest, back, and shoulders, as well as your abs and even legs. Because they build strength in the core, doing push-ups is a great way to prevent back pain and improve posture. And the tons of calories they burn are the cherry on top. As for this Cobra style, it specifically stretches the muscles around your ribs as well as working the upper body muscles. Well done! Let's keep chugging along. Number 6, crunches. Lie on your back with your legs bent, your feet planted firmly on the floor, about hip-width apart, and your hands behind your head. Lift your upper body off the floor. Only your shoulders should leave the mat. Keep your back on the ground. Let's do 20 of these. If you feel you can't do any more, take a short break and then keep going. You can do it. Feeling the burn in your abs and back muscles? Good, it means you're doing it right. If you're all done, let's kick things up a notch. Number 7, sit-ups. The same starting position as the last one, on your back, knees bent, and hands behind your head. This time you're going to lift your entire torso off the ground towards your knees until you're sitting on your butt. Lift your arms up above you. Let's repeat this exercise 20 times. Remember, pull your body up until it's just a few inches away from your thighs. When done correctly, sit-ups are a perfect way to carve the abs. Just don't swing your arms in order to propel your body off the ground. You've got to use your abs. You're doing just fine. Looks like you're ready for some more. Number 8, oblique crunches. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet on the floor. Now place your right ankle over your left knee. Lift your body off the floor and try to touch your right knee with your left elbow. You can keep the other arm on the floor or on your belly. Let's do 20 reps with this elbow-knee combo. If you're engaging the correct muscles, you'll feel a slight burn in your abs and obliques. No pain, no gain, right? When you feel like you can't go on, just remember that this type of crunches literally melts muffin top. Once you've made it through 20 reps, do 20 more on the other side. Remember, bikini season. You're doing really great. Don't give up. Just a little bit more. 7, 8, 9, 10. Done! Number 9, reverse crunches. Lie down on your back with your legs straight and your arms at your sides. Lift your legs straight up until your lower back leaves the floor. Do 20 of these leg lifts. If you struggle to get rid of that annoying belly pooch, this exercise will be your best friend. Reverse crunches not only target your lower abs, they also train the 2 main hip flexing muscles that play a major role in supporting your core. Another benefit of this exercise is that it stabilizes your lower back and improves your posture and spinal alignment. What a workout! Now you can relax and take a breather. If you want to get the body sculpting benefits that Cindy Crawford swears by, come back to this video every day and do these exercises with us. And yet, it'll give you the most amazing results. Do you plan on doing this workout on the daily? Tell us in the comments below. Share this video with all your friends. Maybe you can even do these exercises together. Give it a like if you found this video useful. And if you want to keep track of all the new ones that appear on our channel, Subscribe and stay with us on the bright side of life.